Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to cartoonize the couple photo to become the Peanutz style, and this is very cute. How to do that? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do, you can install this UpFoto first, and here I am accessing it with my Android phone. And if you are interested to buy their package, you can go to this Pro, you can click this, and here you will find the package like the monthly and also the annual or yearly package. And if you are interested, you can continue to select one, which one is your favorite, and do the payment guys. But if you are not interested yet, then it is okay to you can simply skip it, but maybe there will be several advertisements during the process. And if you are okay, then you can close this offering and try the another time. And let's go back to the cartoonize process. Here I will go to the AI filters, and after that you will find the cartoonize here, the category. After you scroll down, and you can simply click see more, and after that you can scroll down again and you will find this Peanutz. You can simply click this and you'll see the preview. This is the before and this is the after. Isn't that cute, right? And by this section you can start to select a picture from your gallery. For example, I will choose this one. And in this section you will have two options. The first one, if you don't want to watch the advertisement during the generation process, again that this UpFoto will offer you to upgrade it into the Pro version, and you can continue to do the payment guys. But if you are okay about the advertisement itself, then you can click this generate and you will be directed into the next section to save the picture into your gallery. I'm sorry in advance guys, because I have tried to record the next process, but it wasn't captured. It only showed the black blank page. I think that this is about the privacy of this UpFoto, but it is okay. You can simply find the save button usually on the top right corner, and you can simply follow the next instruction, and finally the picture will be saved into your gallery, or the result will be saved into your gallery. Don't worry guys, because I have also saved the result and I will show you guys. And this is the result after the generation process. And if you don't want to see this watermark, so you can continue to upgrade it into the Pro version. So that's all guys, I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.